may 10 equation. Number 1, ang tawag dito ay finite additivity. Kung A intersection B ay hindi mag-intersection, kaya empty set. Then, probability of A union B equals probability of A plus probability of B. Ito ang example na to. Ang tawag dito ay disjoint. Kaya ang sagot nito ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ito ang sagot nito. 2. Probability of A union B union C equals probability of A plus probability of B intersection A of complement plus probability of A complement union B complement union C. And ito, probability of A, ito buo. Tapos probability of B, ito buo. Tapos probability of A complement, ito, kasi complement siya dito. Tapos yung C naman, buo ulit. Kaya ito, naging C kasi buo siya. Tapos, union A, complement siya ng C. Kaya naging A complement union B. Tapos ito, complement ay probability ay union B complement ito. Kasi complement ng B tsaka C. So ito na yung sagot. Complement ng B tsaka C. Number 3. If A subset B, then probability of A, kung si A, mas maliit siya kay B. Kasi kung paano naman magiging malaki si A kung nasa gitna naman siya ni B. So ito B. A union B, probability of intersection A complement. So pag-aadin yung A tsaka B. So ito na. Probability of B equals probability of A plus probability of A plus probability of B intersection A complement. Ang complement, itong buong A. So, kung pag-aadin natin sila, mas malaki pa din siya kaysa sa A. Number 4, discrete uniform law. Ang tawag dito ay sample space. Itong nasa loob ay K elements. Tapos yung nasa loob naman ay N elements. So, paano nga ba natin makukuha yung probability na to? Yung nasa loob may A probability. So, probability of A is 3. So, ito kasi, ang dots niya sa loob, 1, 2, 3, kaya naging 3 times 3 times yung nasa labas. 1 ay yung buong laman niya. Buong laman ng sample space. Kaya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 over 9 equals 3 over 9. Ito na yung sagot. Addition rule. Probability of A union B equals probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Probability of A is yung heart, ang laman niya ay 13 over 52. Tapos yung probability B, ang laman niya naman ay 4 over 52. So, probability of A intersection B equals 1 over 52. Kaya ito, probability of A intersection B equals 13 over 53 plus 4 over 52 minus 1 over 52 equals 1652. Ito na yung sagot niya kasi minus ito. Number 6. Probability calculation discrete uniform law. Ito, may table tayo dito. Ang na-shaden lang ay 4, kaya ang kanya lang ay 1 over 1, 2 over 1, 3 over 1, at 4 over 1. Kaya ang magiging probability niya ay 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, kaya 4 over 1 times 1 over 16 yung kabuuan niya equals 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 yung na-shadean over 16 yung kabuuan niya. Kaya ang magiging sagot ay ito, y tapos yung x, kaya 4 over 1, kaya ito yung magiging sagot niya. Probability of B over A equals probability of A intersection B divided by probability of A. This is the equation. In a class, 60% are girls and 30% of the girls play football. What is the probability that the student play football given the student is a girl? So, ito, 0.18 yung kabuuan nung 60%. Tapos ito, 0.6. Pinag-divide siya, kaya 0.3. Ito na yung magiging sagot niya dito sa kung ilan yung student na naglalaro ng football. Kaya 0.3. Probability of A intersection B equals probability of A times probability of B over A. Example, draw 2 cards without replacement. What's the probability both are access? Example yung access. Probability of first access is 4 over 52. Probability of second access and first access equals 3 over 51. Probability of 2 access is 4 over 52 times 3 over 51 equals, etong 452, kinuha siya dun sa first axis. Tapos etong 351, kinuha siya dun, pinag-combine yung second and first axis. Kaya ang magiging sagot niya ay 1 over 221. Ito na yung total niya. Probability of A intersection B equals probability of A times probability of B. Example, i-flip yung dalawang coin. Kaya probability of head and head. Kaya ang makakalabasan ng pag flip mo yung coin, ang kalalabasan niya ay head. Kaya probability of head and head equals 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 equals 1 over 4. Ang kinalabasan ng pag-flip ng coin is yung ito, 1 over 4. 10. Conditional probability. Probability of A. Itong tawag dito ay sample. Probability of A sample B equals probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Kaya ito, probability of A, ito, buo. Intersection is etong nasa gitna. Tapos divided by B, kaya ito lang. Divided by B.